Hi instructor, this is Fernando and I will show you my enhancement this week. Oh, okay, these are the classification cards and let me show you that this is fully responsive. Okay. Mm, let's see the transfer speed. Okay, I formatted the price in this money format using a PHP function. So when I click one of the vehicles, we'll give me the new view with the price formatted again and all the information. Let me show you that the view is responsive. Like the transfer speed transfer. Okay. I use in this case CSS grid because I felt more comfortable using in this time. CSS flexibles I prefer in the nav and another text. But you can see that the image is changing the width and height based on the width. Let's see the wave tool. The alert is because the text for the image is based on the wave. Say this insufficient. My internet is low. Let's see again. Again, the alert is because it takes the text. Let me see what anything else I need to show you. Okay, now I will show you my code. I create this new function, vehicle details, and this is a responsible function for creating the view detail cards. I am using this, I don't know if I say it, but I used this PHP function in order to give the format for the price. And okay, this is a controller, my controller, and this is a case. So I'm getting this input get the ID for the vehicle that will be created in the new view, and this is my view. I didn't, mm, I haven't need for create a new function in the vehicle model because I am using the same function, this function. Maybe I don't know when I created, maybe 2 weeks ago. And well, I am using this same function in order to get all the information about the car based on the ID. And I suppose that is all.